Let's begin. 1. What is the best time of day to hike to avoid the heat? A. Midday. B. Early morning. C. Late evening. Answer. B. Early morning. Hiking at dawn means cooler temperatures and fewer bugs, unless you prefer to be a human buffet for mosquitoes. 2. What should you always bring to stay hydrated while hiking? A. Soda. B. Water. C. Beer. Answer. B. Water. Water is essential, unless you want to turn your hike into a desert survival reality show. Spoiler: you won't win. 3. What type of footwear is recommended for hiking? A. Flip-flops. B. Running shoes. C. Hiking boots. Answer. C. Hiking boots. Hiking boots provide support and grip. Flip-flops are great for beach day, but you'll end up doing the worm on the trail. 4. What's a good practice for hiking in groups? A. Everyone for themselves. B. Stay close together. C. Split up and take selfies. Answer. B. Stay close together. Staying close helps with safety, unless you want to accidentally star in a horror movie. The Lost Hikers is not a title you want. 5. What should you do if you encounter wildlife on the trail? A. Feed them. B. Approach them for a selfie. C. Give them space. Answer. C. Give them space. Wild animals have their own personal space, unlike your overly friendly uncle at family gatherings. Respect it. 6. What is a useful item to carry for navigation? A. A compass. B. A magic 8-ball. C. Your friend who claims to be a human GPS. Answer. A. A compass. A compass is reliable, unlike your friend who always gets lost going to the grocery store. No one wants to be lost in the woods. 7. What should you do if it starts to rain while hiking? A. Dance in the rain. B. Seek shelter and stay dry. C. Keep hiking like a superhero. Answer. B. Seek shelter and stay dry. Staying dry is crucial unless you want to transform your hike into a soggy rendition of Singing in the Rain, minus the singing talent. 8. Which of the following is a key principle of leave no trace while hiking? A. Take home what you bring, plus a few extra items. B. Leave your trash behind for wildlife to dispose of. C. Stay on marked trails to protect the environment. Answer. C. Stay on marked trails to protect the environment. Staying on marked trails helps preserve natural habitats. Think of it as a way of telling nature, I promise not to mess up your beautiful home. 9. What is the recommended method for descending steep trails to prevent injury? A. Running down as fast as you can. B. Sliding down on your backside. C. Taking small, controlled steps. Answer. C. Taking small, controlled steps. Small steps help maintain balance. Unless you fancy yourself as a stunt double in a bad action movie, this is your best bet for a safe descent. 10. When is it crucial to notify someone about your hiking plans? A. Only if you're going on a very long hike. B. Anytime you go hiking alone or in unfamiliar areas. C. Only if you're hiking in a national park. Answer. B. Anytime you go hiking alone or in unfamiliar areas, letting someone know your plans is essential for safety. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for the rescue party, just without the crumbs getting soggy. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about hiking hacks. 10 tips and tricks you need to know before hitting the trails.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shop. The link is in the channel description. Remember every day. Please check out our other videos.